Hello everyone friends, on Calavalor. Today I'll show the best sodium settings for Minecraft 1.21 and above. It doesn't really matter which version, but specifically for 1.21 and higher. Let's go in. As you can see, this is how it looks, right? Overall, it works quite smoothly. I'll fly over here, and from here we'll look at the difference. Let's do it like this. Now I'll show you optimal settings that aren't the lowest, but not the highest either. Medium, pretty good ones. 8 rendered chunks, 6 simulation chunks, so you can see far without overloading your processor. Brightness doesn't affect anything. GUI scale doesn't affect anything. Full screen or not, it doesn't affect anything. Vertical sync depends on your monitor. It puts some load on the processor, but if you have a 60 Hz or 75 Hz monitor, you can enable it to prevent screen tearing. But if it lags badly, you'll need to turn it off. For maximum FPS based on vertical sync, if it's disabled, set it to 60, 50, 40 and see how it runs. If it's enabled, don't change anything. Disable bobbing, those are the effects when you walk. They're unnecessary. They just eat up your FPS. In short, disable it if you can't see much but don't want to overload your computer. Go to video options and increase the number of rendered chunks. For simulation, keep it at 6. This means you'll see far, but it'll only simulate 6 chunks. You'll see the biomes you've already loaded. The distant ones won't load, saving performance. That's it. This depends on your computer specs. Next, for quality, fast graphics, clouds off, fast weather, fast leaves. So you don't need to strain yourself too much here. For example, if you don't need leaves at all, choose fancy. Oh, I mean fast. Yes, that's if you want the leaves to be opaque. Well, why would you need transparent leaves, right? If they slightly impact performance. Weather is clear. Next, set a reduced number of effects that load simultaneously on your computer. If you're already experiencing lag, then set it to minimum and apply. For now, try the reduced setting. Then we turn off the light. So the light won't be as soft. Biome Blender is 7. It doesn't affect anything. Processing of biomes, distance to mobs, objects. Set this to 100 and leave everything else alone. Keep the vignette and remove shadows from mobs. They're not needed. Performance chunk, update 30. How often will chunks update? Set it to 2, no more is needed. You won't notice them anyway. But it matters. Just check all these boxes. That's how you do it. This was Valor with you. Bye everyone!